Their eyes opened up overnight. It's warm up today, and I bet you'll see them crawling out for the first time. Wow, they're strong. Jumping and climbing already. This is Mom. She's a Callie Flemish cross. She's always been really good with them. Nice and calm. You can see there's quite a few of them in here. She had 8, but only 6 survived, unfortunately. One must have gotten accidentally knocked out by her foot, and the other one somehow fell out on its own. That still leaves 6 in there. Man, they're nice and strong. I bet you they'll be running around here later today, just getting up their strength. And it's still quite cold out. It went to freezing again overnight. It's the end of April. We usually can't plant anything outside till the long weekend of May. That's usually when the frost is pretty much gone. But I'm just going to give you a little update. And it's the little ones with their eyes open.